Hi. So, at the request of several people who were kind of like, so there's a video of the Eureka that you just got. How about a video of the Hoover 1076 you just got? So, me enjoying wishes and commands. This is a quick video of this machine. I found this for $7.99 excuse me, at the local thrift store. Surprised me because I haven't seen anything like this in a while. And in my opinion, which we have established is just that. This is by far when I think the convertible really hit its apex. I believe after this, Hoover did nothing more than to cheapen this thing down year after year until it became a, well, I was taught not to say bad things about people or others if I didn't, have something nice to say or whatever that phrase was. So anyway, it's in good shape, so I'm going to do this vacuuming so you can see it running. And and of course, you can, probably better from the other way since the light is so bright, but okay, that didn't help. But you got the Hoover track marks. And again, really it was by the time of the 1076 that I mean, they went to a 4-position height adjuster, which some feel that it ruined the convertible's cleaning ability. I personally think it helped it become less of a dinosaur before Hoover felt it was. Obviously, the motors had, pretty much stayed the same, but the bottom line is that, again, really after this series of machine, the convertible started to really become an anomaly. So that is the 1076. I am just pleased to death that I have it. This is my second one, and again, because it's nice, but it's not exceptionally nice like my other one, I believe this is going to become a driver. I don't have a good convertible driver that I feel comfortable using all the time, so this one will fit the ticket. And thank you for watching.